Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Juan Martinez. I am a data analyst, and in this video I'm going to show you how to solve some SQL problems. We are going to start in this series with easy problems. So this is the fifth or sixth one. I don't remember quite well. Maybe it's the fifth one. And I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. So we are going to be using working on the SQL scorepractice.com website. The link is going to be on the description down below. And after going to that website, we are going to select the hospital database, and we are going to select the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, the sixth problem or the sixth question. So I'm going to erase this, and you can follow me in this tutorial. Okay, so we need to read the statement or the question. So it says show first name and last name concatenated into one column to show their full name. Okay, that's the problem. We need to understand that we have our information about the table, the patient's table, and this is information about a hospital or patients inside a hospital. And here we have the expected output. So this is the expected output. There is a full name we need to display, and we can also get hints by clicking on the get hint button. So if you don't know how to approach this question, you can also get hints. So here it gives us some solution keywords. I remember if you get hint one more time, it gives you a portion of the solution, not all the solution, but a portion of it. And yeah, and that's it. And if you have used all the hints and still don't know how to answer this question, you can skip the question and see the answer by yourself and analyze what did you do wrong. Okay, but we are going to do this in this tutorial, and I'm going to help you through. So we need to understand the question at hand. So it says we need to show the first name and last name. Okay, so the first name and last name in this patient's table are in the first name and last name columns. So that was pretty easy, but it says it has to be concatenated into one column to show the full name. So we don't need to. So if I, for example, do this, select first name, last name from patients. If I do this, that's not the correct solution because it's showing the first name and the last name in two different columns. But the problem statement asks us to show the first name and the last name in one column. So we need to combine those columns into one to show the full name. So for doing that, I need first to do the select or type the select clause, and I need to use the concat function. So what the concat function does is that combines two or more columns. So for example, in this case we have text column, so it's going to combine the text of each column and unify it into one single column. So I need to specify inside the parentheses which columns I want to combine. So I want to combine the first name and I want to combine the last name. And then we have to specify from where we are going to pull these columns, from which table, and it is the patient's table. Okay, but there is a problem. If I run this query by clicking here on run, it says incorrect solution. Your query does not match the expected output. Request a hint for help. And so what is the problem? The problem is that with concat, it combines the information, but in this case, it doesn't have or doesn't give us a space between the first name and the last name, or the values inside the columns. So to fix that problem, we need to also concat something else, and we need to insert a space. And to do that, we can use this. which I don't remember the name in English right now. And you can also leave a space between them, and by doing that it's going to show the first name and combine it with a space, and then it's going to show the last name. So if we close our query now and hit run, we can see that we have the query correct. We got it correctly, and we can see here the solution it offers to us. So the difference is that it gave a nickname to the column. We didn't call we didn't specify the name of the column. So in this case it shows concat first name space last name, etc., or in quotes, first name space quotes single quotes space last name. So that's the name of our column. But if we had done this as, for example, full underscore name, it would show full name instead of this concat and etc. Also, it offers us some alternative solutions. So this is another solution that we could have used. And also, yep, so that's it for this SQL problem and our SQL tutorial. And if you find this video useful and interesting, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section down below. And also don't forget to like this video if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe as well. I'll see you in the next one, and thank you so much.